Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be making dinner. My husband is a grill master, so he'll be firing up the grill and we'll be cooking some good T-bone steaks. We're also having some red skin potatoes with asparagus. So if you'd like to see what we made, please keep watching. So here we go. We're just going to wash and cut up the potatoes. Get that going. Next, I'm going to wash and chop the asparagus and cut off the stalks because, you know, if you don't cut them off, it gets chewy and kind of gross. So I like to cut it pretty far up. Now I'm going to peel some garlic and put it in the masher for some minced garlic for our asparagus. Chop up some fresh chives. Now I'm going to take those red skin potatoes, add some olive oil, add some lemon, like a half of a lemon, and then a half a packet of ranch dressing, dry ranch dressing, and then toss to combine. And then I'll throw it in that baking pan and stick it in the oven. I love this recipe. I make it all the time. It's a family favorite. Here I sprayed some avocado oil spray on the pan just to prevent it sticking even further. Now it's time to get those steaks prepared. So his recipe is pretty simple, at least this one. He does have many different kinds that he uses, but on this particular day he's just using some Worcestershire sauce, and then he's using some Texas-inspired rub. It's really good, very smoky. He's very liberal with his seasoning. He's gonna let those marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes while I'm working on the other dishes. So next is the asparagus. We're just gonna add some olive oil and a little bit of butter. I'm gonna heat that up on a medium heat, and then we'll toss in that asparagus and toss them around to coat. And then I covered them just a little bit just to help the cooking process, just to steam them a little bit. Next, I add some minced garlic, but be careful not to get your pan too hot because that garlic will burn. Unfortunately today my garlic did burn a little bit, but that's alright. Now I'm adding just a little bit of lemon juice just for an extra fresh, zesty flavor to the asparagus. It's really good. It brightens them up. Add some ranch seasoning or some Mrs. Dash or anything on top for a little bit of flavor, some salt and pepper, whatever you prefer, and then that's it. Easy. Now I'm going to take those potatoes out of the oven. They're good and done, and you can see they're nice and golden brown. Just drizzle that ranch right over the potatoes. Next, we're adding the chives. So we'll just sprinkle those chives on top. Now let's go check on those steaks. Is playing in her bounce house while waiting for dinner to be ready. We love this bounce house. I think we got it for like $2.50 on Amazon. A friend of ours recommended it. He had one for his son's birthday party and Delia just loved it. It was such a nice night. We were able to have dinner on the patio. So here's the final plate. Looks really good. You guys have to try this drink. It is so good. If you get the pastèque liqueur, the watermelon liqueur, and mix it with the Simply watermelon juice, it's like a watermelon soda. Okay, well that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our video. I'll link the recipe for the potatoes below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!